Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
Hello, everyone. This is Jefferson Scott with What's Happening Birmingham. Today, I have the honor, the pleasure. This is a very busy man, very popular man, Mr. Eric Guster from Guster Law Firm. Eric, how you doing?
Man, I'm glad to be here. You may hear my 2-year-old screaming in the background, but I'm glad to be here. So I hope you all can hear me very clearly when we talk.
Great. Congratulations on the new one.
Thank you. Team No Sleep, but we're making it.
So Attorney Guster decided to come on my podcast today. As you all know, I've been covering all these candidates either on my podcast or advertisements on my website. But he wanted to come on today to do a special endorsement for Tiara Young Hudson. She is running for Jefferson County Circuit Court Judge. Which place is it?
14.
Place 14. So just start off, how long have you known Tiara?
I've known Tiara Hudson for right at 15 years. She's a magnificent lawyer, a great mother, a great wife. And Jarvis, as you know, I stay out of these contests. I stay out of these judicial contests. I have not endorsed or gotten involved in the candidacy probably for 12 years at this point. But this was very special to me because she's a great candidate. Absolutely one of the best candidates I've seen in years.
Now, the place that she's running for, that's the criminal division, right?
Yes, this is in the criminal court system, the circuit court level of the criminal justice system, where when a case gets past grand jury, you go to district court first, then you go to grand jury, then it goes to circuit court. Circuit court is where jury trials are handled, plea agreements are done, and different types of services can be rendered, such as mental health court, drug court can be reissued from circuit court. There are different things that can happen in circuit court, but that's as we call it, the big boy, big girl court of what she will be in.
Now, tell me her experiences. How has, in your opinion, as a public defender, has made her ready for this position?
Let me tell you about her experience at Guster Law Firm.
Okay,
I don't even know if you knew that. She worked for me, Jarvis.
Okay.
Tiara Hudson worked for me for several years, and I'll tell you this, and you and I talk about business all the time. One of the worst mistakes I ever made of my law firm was letting her leave. And and for me, that's a big deal. Letting her leave, I regretted that, letting her get out of there for years. She's smart. She's actually brilliant. She's even keeled. She doesn't get attitude. She doesn't let emotions overtake her. She's very, and that's kind of temperament you need in a judge, someone who won't let things go left or right. They stay dead center. They look at the facts. They care about people. And Attorney Hudson, Tiara Hudson, is definitely one of those people who really cares about people. And I see it in her work. I see it in her work as a public defender. I saw it in her work when she was at Guster Law Firm. She was one of the smartest people I've ever had in my firm, one of the most organized, one of the most diligent, super honest, trustworthy. If there were tasks that need to be done, Hudson would make sure that the tasks were done. And in our justice system, we need someone like that. We need someone who's smart. We need someone who's honest. We need someone who's has good, even temperament. We need someone who can get things done, because if you're disorganized as a judge, you can have cases sitting in your docket for months and years, which we've experienced in Jefferson County. So we need someone just like her on the bench, and I support her 100%.
Well, I'm glad you keep bringing up the word temperament. You've been, attorney here for years. You've been in just about every courtroom here in Jefferson County. How is it important that voters how can we tell the temperament of some of these candidates that's currently running now?
It'll be kind of difficult to tell because everybody has their happy face on during campaigns, right? I've seen campaigns where people are bashing opponents. That's not the temperament that I would like to see, because you have to work with these people if you win or lose your campaign. And a person who's campaigning for a judicial position, they should be focusing on their positive things that they want to tell people. Not, let me tell you, my opponent is bad or horrible, whatever. They should be focusing on themselves. And it says a lot about the candidates who are bashing everybody instead of just focusing on themselves. One thing about Tiara Hudson's campaign, she's been very focused about her campaign strategy regarding trying to get mental health court for people, trying to have alternative sentences in her courtroom. I mean, the Hudson courtroom will have those things in place to make sure that the community is properly served. Now, Hudson will send people to prison when they need to go, but she's also aware that some people need a second chance. Some people need counseling. Some people need therapy. She's aware of that. She's worked in the system, and Hudson can make sure that we have those services through her courtroom.
Okay, so any final thoughts you want to add to the voters as they think about, this upcoming Tuesday? I know, of course, go out and vote, but just the importance, of this election and these judge positions.
We see so many people get wrongly convicted. We see so many people get bad sentences. If those things have ever touched you, you need to vote for Tiara Hudson. She's ready from day one. She's capable. This is what she was called to do. And I truly believe that. Hudson she's a mom who really understands discipline. How I didn't understand discipline until I became a parent, but she's a person who has to handle discipline with her children. She understands coping mechanisms. She understands empathy. And Hudson is one of the best, most qualified candidates I have seen in years. That's why I'm involved in this campaign.
All right. Well, Eric, thank you for coming on today. I always get to see you, brother. And voters, please heed the words that he said, especially today about, when it comes to temperament with these judges. And always remember that either this position, in my opinion, is the most important on the ballot, because at some point, someone or you going to become before a judge.
Yeah. And these cases are serious. You're dealing with felonies and lots of time, murders, rapes, all these types of cases. So you need a judge who won't let emotions overtake their decisions. You need someone who's going to make the right decision to protect the public and to rehabilitate some people. And Hudson is that person. Hudson is the one who can get that done.
All right. Well, thank you all for watching today. Thank you all. Please check out what'shappenedbirmingham.com for more interviews. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and check out the audio version of this. And don't forget to vote Tuesday, May 24, 2022. Go to alabamavotes.gov to find out what your polling place is. And everybody, let's get these numbers up in Alabama. Thank you all again. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.